Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to export video messages from your bot chats on the Telegram desktop app. This feature is part of the new update, and it's a real time saver if you want to back up or manage your data more efficiently. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, take a look at the very top left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. Next, from the menu, head into Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll notice several different options, but what we need is the Advanced section. So go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Export Telegram Data. This is the tool that will allow you to download specific types of information from your account. Click on it to continue. At this stage, Telegram will give you many options for what kind of data you can export. Since we're focusing only on bot chats and the video messages inside them, you'll want to carefully adjust the settings. First, check the box that says Bot Chats. Then scroll further down until you see Video Messages and make sure to select that option as well. After making these selections, click on the Export button. Telegram will begin preparing your data. Depending on how much content you have, this process could take a little time, so just wait until it finishes. Once the export is complete, you'll be able to access the data by clicking on Show My Data. This will open up the folder where all your exported files are stored, including the video messages from your bot chats. And that's it. You now have a full local backup of your video messages from bot chats, neatly saved to your computer. This method ensures your videos are always accessible, even outside of the Telegram app, and it's a straightforward way to keep your important files safe after the latest update. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to try it out and keep your Telegram content organized.